Okay, I want to show you that you don't actually need a laptop to design websites or to work online. I'm telling you, with just your phone, you can do everything 100%. So go to Play Store, search Kiwi browser. So you are going to install it. As for me, I've already installed it, so I'm just going to click on open. So this Kiwi browser is going to allow you to use your phone just like a laptop. In fact, you can install Chrome extensions. If you click on the three dots, you are going to see extensions here. So if you click on it, so I've already installed 2 extensions. So you can install unlimited number of extensions as you like. Do you understand? So the best part is that when you want to use your phone as a laptop, you're going to put on your Bluetooth just like this. Then you click on it. Then you're going to put on your RGB keyboard. You can see this keyboard, very beautiful. Click on connect. It's going to be on Bluetooth like this. You're going to see Bluetooth on the screen. You can see Bluetooth. You connect. You can see pair. So you're going to be using your keyboard just like a laptop. The same thing for your mouse. You put it on Bluetooth. It's going to display here too. Or if it doesn't display, you can click on scan. So when you scan, you can see here Bluetooth mouse. Click on it. Here. Wow. You can see both the mouse and the keyboard, they are already connected. So the next thing is that you're also going to have this earbud as a free gift coming together with it. So when I bring it out like this, it's going to also display here. If it doesn't display, I'm going to click on scan. You're going to see TWS for this earbud. You can see. I'll click on it here. So all of them, they are already connected with my phone. So I can use my earbud like this. You can see that's my earbud, and this is my keyboard, and this is my mouse. Everything is coming together with it, and also this mouse pad, and also this phone stand. So when you order the package, you're going to get the keyboard, the RGB, the mouse pad, the phone stand, and also this premium earbud. Do you understand? So when you do that, the next thing you want to do is to come to this your Kiwi browser. So I'm going to put on auto rotate. It's already on for me. So when I do that, I can put my phone like this so that it's going to be in landscape. So I'm going to have the screen just like screen of a laptop. Do you understand? So I can go to Google. Maybe I go to google.com. It's going to display just like a laptop. I can search maybe Nigeria. You can see the response just like a laptop. Do you understand? So if I want to design website, I'll just go to my website, maybe one of my websites, mojimanbaroin.com/WP admin. So it's going to display my WordPress dashboard. You can see just like laptop. So you can install plugins, themes, use Elementor, anything you want to use, you can do everything just like that. The same thing if I want to do maybe GoHighLevel, app.gohighlevel.com. So it's going to load and display my dashboard just like a laptop. So you can see my dashboard, my GoHighLevel dashboard. So if I should click on site now, it's going to load. So you can click on recent to see the recent funnels. You can click on this particular funnel. This one, I designed it for a business in the US, a solar company. So I can click on this to view the page. You can see just like a laptop. So the mouse is moving. You can see the mouse. The mouse is moving. The mouse is moving. The keyboard too is typing. So everything is working perfectly. Everything is working perfectly. So this is what you need. You don't have to be bringing your laptop from your office to your home. Keep your laptop in your office. So just have this package at home. You can use your phone as your laptop. Do you understand? And you don't have to buy a laptop of 250,000, 300,000, 500,000. No, just buy this package today. You are going to have access to this keyboard, premium one, this mouse, the mouse pad, the phone stand, and also this earbud. Everything is coming together with it. Click Learn More button to order for your package now. Thank you.